Here we go, 7 color, simulated process, 60. Okay, first color we're going to do is the white. This is our Dreamy White through 230 mesh, coated with CBX 7500 emulsion 2-in-1, exposed on the Vastex E2000 exposing unit, high output LED. We're going to be doing 3 strokes with a 70-90-70 blade at about 2 seconds per stroke, and just enough pressure to get a whistle. I'm going to lift up and let you guys take a look at what we have got so far. That's better. Let's take a look at what we have got. I'm here early this morning filming this by myself, so please be patient. Now we're going to flash this. We're just using the Vastex F100 this morning, 120 volt, standard flash cure. Infrared panel, you see we're about 3 inches off of the top of the shirt. We're going to let that flash for about 9 seconds, 10 seconds, and then I'm going to let it cool down for a second, and then we'll print the colors. Stay tuned. Okay, so our white has cooled down. It's just barely warm to the touch. We do not want to print on top of a hot underbase. Just causes you all types of print defects. Now we're doing simulated process red. This is our Advantage ink and 230 mesh. We're going to do 2 strokes. Just enough pressure to get a whistle at about 2 seconds. And we have printed our red. We're now going to do the same thing with simulated process blue. Nice whistle there. Just enough pressure to get the ink to clean the screen. I don't want the blade bowing. I don't want to be printing on the side of the blade. I want to stay on the edge. Now we're going to gold, once again through 230 mesh. Now we're using, on all the colors, we're using 70 durometer squeegee, just a standard squeegee. We are printing on a Bella canvas, long sleeve shirt this morning that is a tri-blend. Next we're going to go with the green. Now the green is just highlights in the edges of his hair. And I'm just going to do one more stroke on the green because it is such a small amount. I do want to make sure that that green pops because it is part of the Joker theme. Then we're going to go with gray. Gray is going to, for this is supposed to be a very darker image, spooky image. So it's going to add a lot of shadows and mid-tones to it. It'll also give us a nice contrast for our last color, which is highlight white. And now we're going to come through highlight white. This is also called key white in process because a lot of times it's a key to bringing an image together. People want to save a little bit of money and shave a color, but in my opinion, you also cut down the quality of the print on a lot of images. If it's your own clothing brand, it's definitely worth. And I think because it will bring in a lot of designs more sales. And we're going to go with 3 strokes on the highlight white. We can hear a nice little whistle. Once again, not over pressure on here. Here we go, 7 color, simulated process, 60 LPI, ellipse dot, 22.5 degree angle through 230 mesh. Most of the students in the class have little to no experience, and they, in my opinion, just slayed this image. You can see all the different color striations in the skin and in the eyes, over here in the explosion, where the different colors are blending together, giving us a wider and wider color spectrum on here. If you enjoyed our video, give it a like or a share, and as always, thanks for watching.